Esithubeni with u-Kwanele. We went to Memorial Service Kata Bravo. Oh man, what a loss for Cape Town, must say. But anyway, we asked a couple of his friends, bazomkhumbula ngantoni, and check out these interviews.
So uBhuthen uzomkhumbula ngantoni?
Ubaba, do you know? Ubaba bengibiza unkosazana, like that's the name he used to call me by, and because he thought of me as someone who's a queen, like a queen of everything. And I think ngomkhumbula ngalonto because if anything, he was a cheerleader, and not just to me, but to everybody who's trying to do something out there. And I think his humanity is something that will forever be remembered.
Samkhumbula ngolonwabo Bravo yabo. One thing for sure yabona nek. Alamini bengihleli naye kokugqibela. Besinamaphupho, konke sinamaphupho.
Yeah, he was very ambitious.
Every day sinamaphupho amatsha. Yabo. Samkhumbula ngoncumo, ngolonwabo. Soberness. You know, being intentional ngamaphupho akho. Yabo. Those are the things that make uBravo Bravo. Yabo. Isiko, usapho. Hey man, ngiyazibiza zonke into ezinhle man, but zonke into ezinhle ongazicinga ngomuntu omnyama uBravo lo, yabo.
Shout out.
Yeah.
Peter, like, Bravo was like a brother. Yeah, he was like a brother to and sithi ngimbizayo Peter Peter mosifana yakhe Peter ade asingqala wena into engcono taska. He was like a brother, man. Very cool guy. One like yakwazi ukumesha energy yakho, you know. He was just a great person, I'm not gonna lie.
So like for his game as a Cape Town, like the moment like man.
Like it's a wake up, man. Yeah, but it's a wake up. Like say, like let's look after each other, yeah, bro. Like everyone is fighting something. Like somewhere we're going through something. We just need to be there for each other. Yeah, but we just need to be there for each other because we all we got for song like sit up.
I'm realizing actually we get along. I just wish we can put an emphasis on love and make it a norm more often and show up for each other because clearly this moment is a highlight in our local industry that we do have an impact as creatives and we do have a background as creatives. But we don't always have to wait for such moments like this to get together. Perhaps we can learn from such that it is important to make love a norm amongst us and check upon each other. How we doing?
This moment is heavy, hey? It's heavy. I don't know. I thought maybe some processing it has registered to me, but being here, looking at the picture, you know, it's like it's gonna wake up and say, "Nongriza, it's a prank," you know. He used to call me Nongriza, so I'm like, I had to know I'm playing, so it's sinking in. It's heavy. It's heavy. I always say, when I heard, I was like, no, you guys are lying. You know, I know Bravo. He's not the material to, like, you know, just give up on life like that.
Yeah.
But I was like, no, man. And I called his brothers, and I'm like, yeah, the brother might be capable, but not yet, because I know they were all emotional. By feeling too, but I never thought like, yeah, he would just be gone.
It means a lot of things, bro. It means that I need to value life. It means the interactions that I had with uKobevu, they were not small. They played a huge role, especially the people around me. Him having to be like an instrument in making sure that the people around me are seen. So yeah, this moment means a lot of things, and it means a lot of things for Cape Town also. Him having to make sure that each and everywhere he went, he was flying the flag of Cape Town, Khayelitsha.
Yeah.
Also, what I've learned is that we need to check up on each other as a band.
Yeah, down.
Not only to try to hype ngexesha elithile ngona ufuna ujonga but semela ukuba sisebenzisana njani sincedana njani as outy to outy.
Yeah, down.
Whether family, whether it's like industry friends or whatever, it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
But I think uthando noyana and make sure that we're going far and also apha yeke we take it far sonke.
enzima leyo nibuza yona mfethu silahlekelwe ngumlomkhulu ngumlomkhulu in terms of Cape Town, in terms of isiXhosa, in terms of just everything yabo yeah silahlekelwe mfethu. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know what to say. Hey, it's hard to see a future without Umjita. So yeah. Hey,
it was a beautiful moment. It was needed. And so you go one was gonna make it too real. Two is of emotions, but I'm glad I came because connected nani. Baninzi abantu bemncane umjina endibaziyo saza naye kule industry abanye bakumikazi so isisikhathi soconnecta nomuntu wonke even in his passing uyakwazi phina sidibanisa.
Hey man, as much as it's a heartbreaking moment, but also it's a moment to remember Bravo. It's a moment to remember the Bravo. It's a moment to remember Esithosa going to the upcoming years. The youth, you guys can see there's children full of this whole place, so it truly means a lot. It means Bravo meant something in the game, and not only in the game, but in his township where he grew up.
That's not choice, now I'm like a big quiet, but now I feel like you even for him. Now I'm in a space where I'm feeling the kids, somebody else in the way it gets out. So yeah, I'm gonna operate. I'm sure there's a lot of people that are gonna operate. So it's like really make sure that wherever he is down and like